Meaning of intelligence.
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 Intelligence. Intelligence has different meanings depending on the context in which it is used, but in general, it refers to the ability to learn, reason, understand, and adapt to new situations. Intelligence can be thought of as a combination of cognitive abilities such as perception, problem-solving, memory, reasoning, and decision-making. In humans, intelligence is often measured by IQ tests, but this method has been criticized as being limited in its scope and ability to fully capture someone's cognitive abilities. Additionally, there are different types and levels of intelligence, ranging from emotional intelligence to social intelligence and beyond.